Equifax credit freeze take? Wondering how long a credit freeze takes to activate on Equifax? Let's clear it up in seconds. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how quickly a credit freeze is placed on your Equifax report so you can stay protected from identity theft without delay. First, go to Equifax.com and sign in or create your account. Navigate to the Place a Security Freeze section under the Credit Report Services. Fill in your personal details, verify your identity, and confirm your request. Once submitted, your credit freeze is activated immediately in real time. You'll get a confirmation message and a PIN or password to unfreeze your report later. Quick tip: even though it's instant online, if you request a freeze by phone or mail, it can take a few days. Have questions about freezing your credit? Drop them in the comments. Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step credit protection tips. Thanks for watching. Equifax Identity Theft Protection Cost Explained. Think identity protection is too expensive? Let's break down Equifax's pricing in under 2 minutes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll walk you through how much Equifax charges for its identity theft protection plans so you can decide if it's worth the investment. Go to Equifax.com and click on Products or Identity Theft Protection. Equifax offers multiple plans. The basic plan starts at $9.95 a month, which includes credit monitoring, identity theft insurance, and alerts. The premium plan is $19.95 a month, offering 3-bureau credit monitoring, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, social security number tracking, and more. Both plans come with up to $1 million in identity theft insurance for certain expenses. You can compare features on the site to choose what fits your needs best. Once you pick a plan, just sign up and input your billing details to activate protection. Tip: Equifax sometimes offers free trials or discounts, so be sure to check before paying full price. Thinking of getting ID protection? Comment below and let me know. Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more practical credit and security tutorials. Thanks for watching.